In this video, we will see how Postman generative AI can help you write test cases automatically. You can see Postman window on your screen. Go to the tests tab and on the right side you will see this logo. If you don't see, just update your Postman because this was released in July 2023 or May 2023. On clicking this logo, you will find a text box where you can interact with the generative AI. There are some samples given here. For example, I have this request, API user create request with a body. I'm just generating random first name, and when I send this request, I get a response with the random name and job which I have given, and then ID, and then we have created a date. So once again, let's go to the test tab, click here, just click on the suggested one first. Let's see what it will do. Add test to this request. You can see it has just added some standard test like response code is greater than 201. We have the fields, required fields, name, job, ID, created at. So this automatic suggested approach of generative AI here has just assumed that all these fields are required. So you can either edit this test cases. It's checking if name is not empty, job is not empty, ID is a non-empty string. So these are pretty much standard generated test cases with some assumption. You can go and edit this test cases based on your API specification. Now we will see if we can write any custom test cases with help of this generative AI. So I will tell it to, let's say, check the created date is today. Let's add test case to check that created date is today, and just enter. Alright, it has added something, created date is today test. Okay, response, it's reading the response, reading the created at field, and then it's getting the today's date and it's comparing. Created date should be today. Wow, that's awesome. And let's see what's the result. Yeah, you can see the created date is today test case is added. So this is one use case. Let's see another use case. We will try to see if our generative AI can fix the test case. For name field, it's trying to check the length of greater than 1. I can make it 0, and let's ask it to fix the test cases. Alright, it's working on it. Okay. You can see that it has already checked and fixed from 0 to 1 because it already has some information of this test case, right? Now we will ask to save some field from response. You can see it has generated the code ID field. Let's see if this is an AI in our environment variable. I don't see yet. Let me retry to hit, and yeah, it created. Let's try to see if we can print information. Print name in console. Wow, that's awesome. This is what Postman AI has to offer, and I'm sure there will be probably more things which you can explore and try out with this generative AI feature of the Postman. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if this was helpful. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestion on the topic of the video I should prepare, please write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.